I'm Neerja Malik, and I am an inspirational speaker, a counselor, and an author. And you're probably wondering, what am I doing here? I am not here in any of those capacities. Please do understand that I am here as a normal citizen of our country, living in Chennai, which is part of Tamil Nadu. Now, what I want to bring to your notice, please, is the fact that both grandparents, my paternal as well as maternal, my maternal grandparents lived in Srinagar, my paternal grandparents lived in Himachal Pradesh, and around their homes they had land. So automatically the wet waste would get absorbed into the land and would be used as manure, both in Srinagar and in Himachal Pradesh. And guess what? They were both fantastic gardeners. They had all kinds of trees. We had walnuts, we had, badam, everything, almonds, we had cherries, we had strawberries in our homes. And so everything got recycled. It got absorbed. It came out of the land and then it got absorbed into the land and was further used as manure. Those were those days. I grew up still breathing in the fresh air, drinking in clean water straight from Chashma Shahi, with no filtration whatsoever required, because everything was pure and blissful. But I grew up and we lived in flats. My father was in the Navy. We got transferred from place to place, and unless when we were in Dehradun, yes, we had land and we had lychee trees, and the same cycle followed. But what about Bombay? What about other places where you don't have that facility? And that's where the trouble started. Everything went literally down the drain and unfortunately into the sea. What am I told nowadays? That Bessie Beach, a place that is one of the landmarks of our city, which I'm very proud of, by the way. What about it? Every day, tons of stuff during these terrible rains. Tons of stuff like old shoes, lots of bottles, plastic, that are literally choking the sea, the waters. They have all come onto the beach. That needs cleaning. So I am very happy to be able to talk on behalf of Urba Ser. Now, why do I like this? Urba is urban and Ser is service. So simplified, so beautifully compact, and so effective in what they're doing. And what are they doing? First, awareness. Awareness of segregation of our waste matter. Second, that the people they give this awareness to imbibe these values, imbibe these principles. And third, that after the imbibing, they practice it. And once it is practiced, then you will see cleanliness, you will see less disease, and you will see automatically in time, not overnight, but I promise you in time, the air will be pure and breathable. The waters will be clean and drinkable. So this is what I propose should happen to all the cities in India, and I'm sure all the cities in the world, because the world is one and we need balance and harmony. And balance for the environment, the ecosystem. Now, my grandparents ensured somehow or the other that we lived a pure, clean, fun-loving life. Will I be able to do it for mine? generations before us did the same, and we are living a good life. But can I promise that to the future generations? No, I'm afraid not. Not the way we are going. Not the way we ourselves are polluting our environment. So please, I beg of all of you to be a little aware of wastage segregation so that it can properly be dispensed and find the location that it has to be carried to, so that once it is transported there, then they can correctly and rightfully attempt to do to it what is required. Either it can be used as manure for fertilizing the land and go back into that circle, or it can be recycled, or it can be changed in what it is and reutilized. So please, I beg of all of you, they are going all out. And it's not just what they're doing. Imagine that during the pandemic, when people were losing out on jobs, this company was going ahead and openly welcoming women especially to become their workforce, to become empowered. Some women are just the single breadwinners of the family. And I applaud this action so that everyone can come forth, be employed, feel empowered, and feel that yes, they're making a difference. And what do? We need to ensure that this is done properly so that in our own little spheres, in our own little spaces, we too can make a difference. So I entreat all of you to do what I'm doing, supporting the Greater Chennai Corporation along with Urbaser Sumit to make this a cleaner and better and healthier place to live in. And what do they want? Shingara Chennai. And we are hoping that at some point of time, better earlier than later, our goals are achieved. Thank you.
Namma Chennai clean.